All right, so I just got this new Roku replacement off of Amazon. You get 2 of them for 11 bucks. Unbelievable deal. They do not come with the battery. So let me just pull that out. The infrared side here, you've got to peel this gook off of here, just like that. There you go. Now that's off. But it has all the exact same functionality as the Roku. It looks just like it. As a matter of fact, let me grab my old Roku. It's even more up to date because on this one they've got HBO Now, which does not exist anymore, and Sling, which nobody uses. It has the things that I do use, like YouTube, Disney, Hulu, and Netflix. But anyway, this one here, you can see it's nice and it's different colors. It's got a little bit lighter blue, but all the functionality is the same. This is your navigation, right? This is your back button. This is your home button. This is your settings button. This is 10 seconds back. This is forward and reverse and pause. And then you can got your shortcuts here. On the side, look, you've got your mute, you got your up and down volume. Very simple to use. But I'm going to show you how to put the batteries in. Now here's the secret to this. Everybody has a hard time pulling this. What I do is I take my fingernail, my thumbnail, like this, and I smush it in there, right in that little crease. Just like that, and it pops open. And bam, Bob's your uncle. There we go. Now look inside there. It takes AAA batteries. I have AAA Duracells. Let me show you it. You can see it says AAA on it. A battery has 2 sides. It has a negative side, which is flat. It has a positive side, which has a little bump on it, okay? So what you've got to do is find where the spring is. That's where the negative goes. So you're going to slide that side against the spring, pop it in, bam, done. Then you're going to take the other one, and usually they're backwards. So this one goes up and in, and that's it. Now, if you look on the side, there's little channels here. You see that? And a little channel there. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your cap, your top here, and you're just going to kind of set it on here, and you'll feel it kind of pop in. Here, let me pop it out. Like if you go like this, it kind of rides. But if you slide a little bit farther forward, it kind of drops in. Then once it's dropped in like that, let me show you again. Stupid thing. All right, so I'm going to put it here and see how it's sitting up. As I move forward, it pops in. And then once I'm there, I just got to push it from the back, right back here, just like that. And bam, it's ready to go. Now, if I want to go ahead and turn on the TV, check it out. I'll show you. Watch. All right, so now we got the batteries in there, and all I've got to do is come over here. I press this. Bam, Bob's your uncle, it's on, right? Now, if I'm on the home page, if I want to navigate, I just use this. I want to go to the right, I go here, left here, up or down, right? So I'm going to go right. And as I go right, you're going to see it highlights the different options that I have. If I want to go down, I go this way. If I want to go up, I go this way. If I want to go left, I go this way. And then when I get to what I want, I just hit the OK button right in the middle. Bam. And then it's going to open that application. I might just go ahead and mute it on the side right now. But that's basically it right there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.